What happened? What are you making?
Sun.
The sun? Okay.
Sunshine.
Sunshine. Well, that's pretty special.
Special.
It is special.
Monkey.
A monkey. You see the monkey on TV?
This.
What else have you been making?
Sun.
A sun, but what about this? What did you do with that?
Sheep.
A sheep? I think that's a cow.
Moon.
Mm-hmm. What is this?
Plane.
What is it?
A plane.
Airplane? And what about this? What is that?
So, what's that?
What is it?
Man.
A man. Okay.
Sheep.
You see a sheep on TV? What does the monkey say?
Oh.
Did you hear the monkey? What is he saying? What about a frog?
Rat.
What is it? What does the frog say?
Rat.
Ribbit. Are you still working on your sun, or are you making something else?
Sun.
It's the sun. Okay.